Here are some food hacks that have really helped me on my health journey. You gotta prepare, you've gotta be organized. So I organize my cabinets. I use 1 day a week to get ready for my whole week. Grill a bunch of chicken, make a big giant salad. I make double batches of things, so I never cook for just one meal. And when I'm putting things away, I put them into tiny snack-sized bags that I can take and be ready to go. I plan my week ahead of time. I also make sure that I don't overbuy things, because that's the big complaint people have about things being too expensive. So when I do see things accumulating and I know they're gonna go bad, like produce, I just throw them all in a big pot. You don't have to have a recipe to throw a bunch of vegetables in a pot, throw some spices and herbs in there. Be creative, play, have fun, and get your family in the kitchen, because they're gonna push back. So rather than being the food police, get them in the kitchen and play. But also, if you have people in the house that eat differently than you do, give them their own space on the shelves, give them their own cabinet so that you're not tempted by their things. Make one decision, not 30, get it out of the house or get it off of the shelves that you see.